Here comes Canon. The sleeping giant known as Canon is stirring. Not fully woken up yet, but stirring. Why do I say this? 2 weeks ago, the announcement of Image.Canon, a service that lets you upload JPEGs, raw photos, videos to the cloud, not to store them, but get them in your Google Drive. Or you can set them up to automatically download a Lightroom on your computer. How? By using the Wi-Fi connection. It's still only 2.4 gigahertz right now, not the 5 that I think is going to be the future. This is all kind of about the future, but it's the right step forward. You'll never have to take an SD card out of your camera, or any kind of card out of your camera for that matter. You never have to hook up a cord, a USB, or whatever you hook up to transfer photos from cameras. All that would be gone in this future that I think is definitely gonna be here. And now, just this week, Canon dropped another one that's gonna be quite major. They're going after the Cam Link video capture card market with this one. Whether directly or inadvertently, I don't know. Clearly, somebody has walked into a meeting at Canon and said, hey guys, Sony and whoever else, mainly Sony and mirrorless, they're doing too much. Let's stop that. And we all win in that scenario. So that's why I'm smiling. Crazy important fact, still in beta, only available on Windows devices, so I haven't had a chance to test it out just yet for myself, even though my camera here, this SL2, is on the list to be used. It's basically, you'll go to Canon, download a link on the Canon site, open up your video capture software, and you will be able to then use your Canon camera. This is beta, so I don't really think it's necessary to talk about, hey, we're grading this. We are simply grading that the potential with Canon is higher than it was 1 month ago. Almost couldn't tell anybody a Canon was located in my home. It was getting kind of bad. Now, future is getting mighty bright. So bright you might need an ND filter. Every joke can't be dirty on this channel. Okay, some dad jokes had to come out. So are you excited about this possible feature that Canon is going at about 400ths of a second shutter speed? Okay, that's it. No more dad jokes. No more. Let me know in the comments section. I'm going to be talking photo stuff pretty much forever here on this channel. So hit that like button if you like. If you dislike, hit that too, because doggone it counts as engagement. And subscribe to never miss a shot from YeagerShots.com. Say it properly. He's a Nikon, Canon, Sony, Fuji fanboy. We get all four in there. Never touched a Leica, so can't blame me for being a Leica sellout.